Hello students, welcome back to the lecture session on control of electric drives. For the contents of the lecture session scheduled on 20th of August 2020, they are as follows. First, we'll be looking at the problems due to the presence of bearing currents and shaft voltages in the electric drives. Then we'll basically look into the effects of these bearing currents and shaft voltages and how they are to be identified, whether they are really present in the system or not. And at the end, we'll be also looking at the various remedial measures in terms of hardware fabrication as well as in terms of control strategies for eliminating the bearing currents and shaft voltages and electric drives. So these are the contents we'll be looking at as far as the lecture session is concerned.